Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. Yeah, so I've lost internet at my house and I'm filming on my phone. We're gonna give this a try. I've got a package from Craspire. I'm sorry I didn't open anything. So this first set okay, got these extra large pipettes. Looks like 10 of them. That's fantastic. Leave that for a minute. Then it's got, these are the coffee stir sticks. And I'm telling you, in the right instance, these are a really good thing to have. The finger cots. And one of the silicone mixing cups. Now, it's got this plate, dish. I'm not sure what you would call it, but anyway, it's a plate. I have one and I could show you, but like a trinket dish plate, soap dish mold, kind of that size. That size. Let's see. About 5 inches across. Sorry, y'all. I really do hate it as much as y'all do. Then there's this, and I absolutely love this mold. It makes a little splash. It's got something in the mold. I was trying to wipe it off. It won't come off. It's in the mold. Okay. It makes a little splash trinket dish. It is adorable. That is adorable. Okay, set number 1. I'm sorry, but yes, I'm going to put it back. Except the silicone cup. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Set number 2 also comes with a silicone cup as well as a little plastic measuring cup. Super excited about this one. Okay, this is the set that's got some gold leaf, some silver leaf, some copper leaf, and this is the variegated leaf, and a pair of needle nose tweezers. sorry. I'm going to put those back right away. Okay. Again, with the set of pipettes, a set of stir paddles, and a set of finger cots. These are... Oh, wow, these are actually stuck together. As in stuck together and damaged. Okay. Seem to be able to force them apart. Wow. Now, I mean, I'm used to silicone modes being stuck together. That's not the deal, but these were like they were stuck together before they were completely cured. And that one is completely destroyed. Looks like we got a little bit of inclusion in that one. But I don't know about that one. Oh, I was so excited about these. They're little rune stones. Really cute. Yes, a set of little rune stones. That's upsetting right there. And evidently it must have caught on something, because the mold is even damaged right there. So, we will still make a set of these, don't worry. I'll figure out something to repair that, if I can. Okay? Sorry, nothing against Craspire. This is probably something that happened in the warehouse or during manufacture. Still, something we can overcome and conquer. A challenge, if you will. Another silicone cup. Trust me, I was running out. Okay, then the last one. This one also has the pipettes and the little thin coffee stir sticks, a pair of needle nose tweezers in the bent variety, and then, where did I see? A little stir stick. A couple of them. Right. Now this one has, these are the cellophane flakes, looks like. All the opalescent colors, a silver, a gold, and a metallic blue. Those are very pretty. And I'll be using those. Don't worry. Okay. Back in the back. I'm so excited. These are all leaves. 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 Wouldn't these make an adorable sun catcher? Oh, these would be so cute. A little bitty aspen leaf. A little monstera leaf. Love that. All the detail. This is an oak leaf. Don't ask me how I know. I live in the middle of an oak forest. Another aspen leaf. Oh, this is cute. A little bit of cellophane. I love the veining and everything. Okay, and there's this one. And then this one. These are going to be so cute. Oh my goodness. 7 leaves in this set. 7. Oh, with fall coming up, this... lots of possibilities for this one. Super excited. Alright. Thank y'all. Thank you so much to Craspire. Sorry for the rustling. To Craspire. For thinking about me. I will have the links to everything listed below, as well as a coupon code. So y'all can check any of that out that you want to. I would check it out. 7 leaf molds. That's fantastic. Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.